Whether you're a first-time homeowner, a seasoned DIYer, or someone looking to gift a complete tool set, having the right toolkit can make all the difference. Let's explore the best toolkits available on Amazon for every DIY project. First on the list is the Amazon Basics 173-piece General Household Hand Toolkit. This kit has become a go-to for beginners and casual users thanks to its affordability and comprehensive selection of tools. It includes a claw hammer, adjustable wrench, precision screwdrivers, socket set, measuring tape, hex keys, pliers, and more. Housed in a compact and durable plastic case, it's perfect for quick household fixes, furniture assembly, and minor repairs. Despite being an entry-level kit, it doesn't compromise much on quality, and the ergonomically designed handles make the tools easy to use over longer periods. This is an ideal choice for anyone starting their DIY journey or for keeping around the house for general use. Next up is the CRESCENT 180-piece professional tool set, which is a solid upgrade for users needing a more robust and versatile set of tools. CRESCENT is known for its high-quality chrome vanadium construction, and this set is no exception. The kit includes a comprehensive assortment of sockets in both SAE and metric sizes, 3 drive ratchets, wrenches, screwdrivers, and pliers, all neatly organized in a heavy-duty blow-molded case. What sets this kit apart is the tool quality and durability, making it suitable for both mechanical tasks and demanding home improvement projects. The precision-machined components ensure a secure fit, reducing wear over time. This kit is perfect for advanced DIYers or professionals who want a portable and complete set without piecing one together manually. For those who want a balanced mix of hand tools and automotive basics, the CRAFTSMAN 102-piece home and car toolkit is an excellent choice. This trusted American brand delivers a versatile set that includes ratchets, sockets, screwdrivers, hex keys, and a wide variety of bits. Its strength lies in its utility for both home repairs and car maintenance tasks. Whether you're replacing a battery, tightening bolts, or working on home fixtures, this set offers enough variety to handle it. CRAFTSMAN tools are known for their reliability and ergonomic grip, and this kit is no different. The hard shell case is compact and easy to store, making it ideal for apartments, garages, or even keeping in your vehicle for roadside emergencies. Fourth on our list is the DEKOPRO 158-piece home mechanic tool set, a favorite for its excellent value and sturdy construction. It's loaded with mechanic-style tools, including a wide range of sockets, pliers, wrenches, and a utility knife. All tools are heat-treated and chrome-plated to resist corrosion, ensuring they hold up well under frequent use. The kit's standout feature is its lockable, heavy-duty toolbox that keeps everything secure and accessible. DEKOPRO's set is perfect for medium-level DIYers who often perform home and automotive repairs but don't need an overwhelming number of specialty tools. It's also a practical gift for graduates, new homeowners, or anyone moving into their first apartment. Finally, for those who want it all, the WORKPRO 40 8-piece mechanics tool set delivers an extensive and well-organized toolkit in a wheeled storage case. This behemoth includes nearly every tool you could need: deep and standard sockets, combination wrenches, hex keys, screwdrivers, a torque wrench, and much more. It's built for durability and efficiency, with all tools made from high-grade alloy steel and housed in molded trays. The rolling case design makes it incredibly easy to move around a workshop or job site. If you're working on large-scale renovations, car restorations, or need a complete solution for your home garage, the WORKPRO kit offers unmatched breadth and convenience. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe for more hands-on reviews and expert recommendations to help you tackle every DIY project with confidence.